Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I achieve these nice faux locks on my dreads. Yes, I said it, I said dreads. Shh, don't tell no one. And I love these faux locks. It looks so beautiful. So stick around if you want to see how I get these bad boy in my hair, on my locks. Yes, guy, I said it again, on my locks. All right. So I use the Cuban twist hair 1B. I use 3 packs of black, 1 pack of gray. For some reason, I don't know why I have this here in the picture, but this is the curly hair that I use. And there go the gray hair that I did use. So for this style, what I did, I rubber band my hair just to section it off so I don't get confused with the hair. And it's my sister-in-law doing this for me. And yes, I did remove that yarn string that was in my hair. I'm kind of oiling my scalp to keep it moisturized. So first what I did was kind of stretch the hair to the desired length that I want to achieve. You see that right there. And then what she did was plait the hair on to my dreads. Not too tight, but just plait it just to secure the plaits. So now she's getting the Cuban twist hair and kind of wrap it around my dreads. So try to secure the scalp and wrap it. My hair is giving her trouble, so she tried to put it out the way. So that you basically do is wrap it to get it secure, just like in my previous video. If you guys already checked that video out, it's just like that video, the same method, but I said why not try this style on my dreads to see how it's gonna look, and it did come out fantastic. I sure do enjoy this look. So just watch, and it's not hard to catch on to, and you will surely get it. is just keep wrapping the hair until you reach to where you want it to end. But I have to keep wrapping the hair because my dreads is basically as long as the fake hair. You see that? My hair is still sticking out, so I was keep wrapping it till I cover the end of my hair. Then you get your nail glue, and a nail glue of your choice, and then put it on the end of it just to secure the hair so it doesn't unravel very easily or quickly. And that's it. But my hair's still sticking out, but what can I do? That's it. I run out of hair. And here go the finishing look. Voila. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe this video. Bye. Peace out.
One day, I was gonna do a video about my hair. See these locks? I did this, and I hope you love my mom's channel so much. And please check out my channel. That is my channel, guys. So it's like the thing you need, like and subscribe, and keep notifications on. And I'll get time on my mom's channel. And bye-bye. My mom's gonna be coming soon, but I don't know when, but I'm gonna watch this video so much times, but bye-bye. I love to get into it.